What is up, guys? It's your boy Freddie Gamer, and we had a whole team. And we finna do a video. I mean, a hot challenge. Hot tier challenge. Let's get started. Shut up! Freddie Gamer.
Come on, what we got? What we got?
It's your boy. We got some hot flamings, some talkies, and some popcorn.
Okay.
It's your boy Freddie Gamer.
So we gonna do this challenge.
We gonna see who could.
Your boy
Who could eat it without water?
You see your boy Freddie Gamer right there. We got Nikayla Holly. YouTube. Follow her.
Follow
Okay.
Nicole, Nikki Cole, TP Cole,
Yeah,
and Eric.
you lame. You lame, bro. Come on.
No, I'm not. That's not lame.
No.
What we gonna start with?
So the challenge is to not drink any water. So we gotta eat all those stuff.
All right.
Okay.
Ready,
Go now.
set,
I'm gonna
go.
go with the popcorn.
Then look at this weird tacky roll.
That's a wide body toffee.
Eat
I
it.
want with the popcorn.
I'm gonna go with toffee.
It's not
See me?
toffee.
I got.
It's tacky.
Okay, I got the toffee. It's all-
Okay, I got Chito.
That's hot right there.
No, it's not.
That's really hot.
Popcorn.
I'm gonna go with a flame hot.
But not with an apple.
Flame
with a-
hot. Okay. Woo! I'm out.
You can't get no water.
I'm out. I'm done.
No.
I'm done. Woo! It's too hot. I quit.
Popcorn. Oh.
Fake it. Fake it.
Oh shit.
Just like we fake it.
That's
fake
hot.
it. You know how to fake it. Go ahead, fake it. You good at faking it.
Woo!
Ooh, that's it. How you be doing me? Go ahead. Do me like you do me.
Yeah, shut up.
You like you be doing me.
Yeah, this is a YouTube page. Shut up. Oh, that's too hot.
Hey guys, I've joined in. Oh, y'all want to play Ding Dong Ditch? I want to play Ding Dong. What they say, Mom?
Go ahead. Keep it down there. Y'all go ahead and finish y'all YouTube thing.
Keep it down my ass. No. She'll be alright.
Hot tacky.
You know, ain't none of them hot, so y'all ain't never gonna like tap out.
Right. I will. So why you go?
Down and banging on the walls. What do we do that's loud?
And they up downstairs playing some music. And they not going downstairs.
They ain't playing music no more, but she'll be alright.
They gave me
In
bent.
Jesus' name. Hello?
They gave me bent.
They got you bent. They got me bent. Boy, hold on. Let me get
Hey.
high five. Hold on. Hold my son. Okay. Wait, do it right. You got it. Ah! Oh my God.
I already ate more than them.
Wait, what's loud?
Chattanooga, go ahead.
She gonna fuck around and make me loud for real. We still on YouTube? She got me. Kayla, she got me bent. They paid. We paid too.
I said you fucking up. They paid.
Oh, they're paid. So sit down, down.
Go ahead. Go talk to down there. Go ahead.
Where's Dominic?
They downstairs. Go ahead. I got this up here.
No. I want her to come back to the door like you too loud. What's loud? You want me to be loud? I'll play some music and let it beat on the walls. That's loud.
Mom, you pay.
Kids playing. What's loud? Nigga, you gotta go to work tomorrow? What's loud?
You do?
I do.
So sit your ass down.
That's true.
Lay your ass down right now. You gotta go to work tomorrow.
I ain't dead. I'm not gonna go to an apartment building, bitch. Go your ass.
Look at my tongue.
This ain't loud. We can get loud. Okay?
My son's wrong with you.
Taylor, can you get loud? You get loud?
I'll go. We in a hotel, y'all. In a hotel. I have room service.
So that means you can get loud, right?
Yeah, I can run. Ding Dong Ditch in the hallway.
Right, because we haven't been loud, right?
No, I can run up down the hallway.
That's
Look,
loud.
at school, I ran up down the hallway barking like a dog.
Really?
I did a cartwheel. I was like, woo, 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 woo.
This is when you get a trouble.
Daddy, I did a cartwheel.
Kamari.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just snitch on yourself,
So,
Oh man! I hate when I do talkies.
Alright. So you was running up and down the halls loud. What happened? So you
No.
was loud in the halls.
Can I get a water fountain? We don't got no more cups.
Yes. Ma'am, we're not running. We're not jumping. Here.
I got 3 kids here. I need you to keep it down or I'm going to call.
Call. Okay, thank you.
Dang.
Call somebody. Call Jesus.
Who you gonna call?
Wrong person's voice.
Who you gonna call?
She called God.
Talkie, y'all.
What you gonna do there? Get out of the hotel? Your kids are trying to sleep? Sit down.
I'm mad.
No, I'm mad. I got it. Don't worry. No, don't worry. I know. Don't worry.
Get the at my hotel.
Have a seat. Call somebody. How the fuck? Can I ask you a question?
Quaker
You're
talkie.
in a hotel room, right?
Quaker
It's
talkie.
not a party building. Do you have a right to knock on somebody's door and be like, excuse me, you're too loud. You shut up. I'm not gonna do that. No. Especially when we're not rowdy.
Good
We're
job.
not rowdy. We're talking. Yelling is screaming to the top of your lungs. Can y'all scream to the top of your lungs?
Yeah.
Okay. So then because they're capable of doing that and we haven't done that, why the fuck is you knocking on my door? What?
Mom.
Yeah.
We are
We're live?
done.
Sorry.
We're done.
We're done? Sorry. Because I
What?
cussed.
Why not really hot though?
Nobody was yelling, so kiss my ass. Because you next door and you mad.